Good afternoon. We are live reporting back from the F8 show floor here in San Francisco. We actually moved down from the mezzanine level a little bit so we get a better view of the actual show floor here. And we have some exciting people that we're going to be talking to next. With me here are Liz and Zach from the F8 design team. These are the creative minds that basically have thought about everything that we're seeing here. Liz, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. Can you tell us a little bit more about the concept, what it is that we're seeing here, and what you guys have been working on?
Yeah, we really wanted to create a dynamic and immersive experience for all the attendees here. So this year for F8, it's about really becoming part of a community. It's a gathering of developers. It's about collaborating together and really creating some amazing things. So in the entire space itself, we're creating all these experiences where people can actually be involved in it. So they're hacking the space and actually projecting some of their own visualizations onto the wall. Everything we're doing is open and connected, and everyone can interact with each other and walk through the space as one kind of unit or community.
Wow, we've definitely been able to see that. And Zach, would you be able to tell me a little bit more about the installation behind us, which we've talked earlier before already as better known as a NEB, but perhaps you can explain to us what's happening there and talk a little bit as well what will be projected on there, why DJ Diplo, I hope I said that correctly, will actually be playing here at the after party.
So in past F8s, we've spent a lot of time on analog and some digital, but really this F8's been a lot different, as Mark said. We are really pushing the brink of technology. So we're working with projection mapping that hasn't been done at this scale on a surface that's never been done like that. So we have this very unique three-dimensional experience that's also immersive. You can walk around it, you can see everything, it's great. But what we're actually projecting too is all attendee data. It's so attendee focused for all of this. We built an app, we're building this Hack the Space where people can actually hack to create visualizations that'll go on to the NEB, and those are based on app insights. So we're showing that, we're showing attendees by country, attendees by different locations, and it's all visualized there, so it's not anything crazy, it's just very beautiful, very meaningful data that's being visualized.
Wow, that is so exciting. And would you be able to talk a little bit more about, am I pronounced that right, Joshua Davis, who is a visual artist that will be working with Diplo?
Yeah, we also were able to partner up with some really, really amazing artists. So one of those is Joshua Davis, who actually uses coder language in Java and the program processing to be able to create his visualizations that will be projected on the NEB during Diplo's performance. Because we're using the programming language of developers, actually Joshua Davis will be live coding and live performing for us with Diplo. So the beats of the music actually react to the code, so the visualizations are live reacting to the actual performance. We also used this amazing group out of Chicago called Indo Projects that did the front installation. So that was made out of 3,200 individually hand-folded and installed polys or fractals that also represent this idea of everybody being connected, each person represented, and then everybody coming together as a community. And then visually that's represented in this kind of floating chandelier fractal piece that shows kind of everybody coming together. Yeah.
Yeah, Nate, that installation at the entrance is absolutely incredible. Yeah. Earlier today, we actually took you to see that as well. So we have a little bit more background there too. And then finally, Zach, are there any other design elements or any conceptual visualization elements here at the show floor that we might not be able to see here and now, but that are worth mentioning that you guys have really thought through and are bringing things to life?
Yeah, as I said, we really focus on attendees' experience while they're here. So we developed an Android and iOS app that allows them to create their own schedule based on sessions they want to actually be in. So it's a very immersive experience. They have it in the palm of their hand, and they can just go and experience anything they want. It's got all the information they need. We've got Oculus, where they can try out Oculus, which is a whole awesome experience of just virtual reality. And besides that, there's a lot of details that went into this just to make sure that the attendees felt very, very comfortable and very a part of this community.
Now, guys, I'm absolutely with you. This looks beyond amazing. Thank you so much for taking the time to talking with me and the online audience. Thank you very much. Yeah, guys, it is truly incredible here. If you were walking around here with me, you wouldn't believe your eyes. The absolute detail that has gone into everything that is being created here. So enough about design right now. Let's quickly talk with some attendees that have been attending most of the sessions here today at F8. Hey there, guys. How are you doing? Good, good. Would you be able to give me some more information about who you are, your company, the sessions you attended, the things you're super excited about, etc.?
Okay, so my name is Shilpa Dalmia, and I'm the co-founder of a company called Activity Hero. It's an online marketplace to help parents find and book classes and camps for their kids. Parents can search by the child's age and interest. Say they're looking for a soccer camp or a technology camp, they can find everything and they can complete the booking on our website. So what's really interesting here, of course, is the energy, right? A lot of developers have made amazing connections here with like a lot of other developers. And the Graph API 2.0, that's something really interesting because we use a lot of social Facebook recommendations in our app. So the paths that it's going towards, where it's heading towards, that's really interesting. And then the second thing is the Parse platform. It just blows my mind away, to see how it can make my life so much easier, because we are primarily a web app right now and we are moving towards creating a mobile app. So, using Parse can really pare down a lot of my development time, and I'm excited about that.
Fabulous. We're all very, very excited about Parse. Talking about Parse, you're actually wearing a Parse shirt. Can you tell me a little bit more about yourself, your company, the session that you have attended today, and the things you're interested and excited about, etc.?
Yeah. My name is Matt Hudson. I own something called Vote Rocket, which is white label mobile apps for political campaigns and candidates. Allows them to send out push notification, engage with their constituents, ground campaign, canvassing, all from their mobile app. Allows them to get closer to their electorate. As far as the conference goes, I've been on the build track, learned a lot about app links and anonymous login. I feel like those are the two things I'm the most excited about. I've been a Parse user since they were in beta, so I'm a huge Parse guy. That's how I got this shirt a long time ago. But a lot of the things that they're adding to kind of augment what was already there is very valuable. And of course, meeting all the great people is incredibly valuable, and just enjoying the time. So.
Perfect, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to be talking here with us. And I hope you enjoy the rest of F8.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Guys, it was said earlier already before, but the energy is unbelievable. People are buzzing, meeting, learning, etc. The session tracks are actually still going ahead. Check out the schedule on fbf8.com/schedule. From the F8 live stream track, we will be with you shortly again, conducting more partner interviews. See you later. Bye.